What's up everybody, Brian here from T-Sportline Atlanta, and today we've got 5 Cybertrucks to choose from, but I picked this one because it's a new color we've not yet installed on a Cybertruck. Say hello to TMaxx's Gloss Pealpeak White, PPF. This is a new color from TMaxx, and Pealpeak, it's supposed to be like the sparkle you get at the top of a mountain. Super white with a little bit of pearlescence. This truck also got Gloss Foundation Series decals up here on the side. And this customer wasn't going to stick with stock wheels. Take a look at this. This customer opted for our CT7 fully forged monoblock wheels in 20-inch. Got to reuse his stock Goodyear tires, but what a stunning look. And I'm going to tell you, this satin brushed finish on the CT7 with the Pealpeak gloss white, that is an awesome combination. I think this guy nailed it. Now, we need lighting next. The final personalization for this customer is right up top. Check out T-Sportline's 50-inch bolt-on LED light bar for this truck. Super cool, bolts right onto the factory mounts, plugs into the Tesla harness, and go into the center screen under outlets and mods, just turn on that upper power port and you've got light. This guy's ready to blaze the trails. So between the wrap, the wheels, the light, this is a really cool Cybertruck. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our channel and come back soon. We've got a lot more Cybertrucks to share with you.